Now we go into definitions. Remember what Marek has said and remember contextuality. Corruption may be defined from various angles. It has a lot of elements, and you may choose any of them and make them a priority. For instance, legal. Most states, I don't know how many, have no uh, legal prescriptions referring to corruption, but I would guess almost all. Maybe the youngest states, South Sudan. You correct me. I don't know, but most states um, pass legislation on the abuse of office, and that's the legal uh, approach. We have an economic approach, which is rent seeking, a wholly different aspect. It belongs together, of course, legal abuse and rent seeking, but that describes the main motivation of the people who are or try to be corrupt. In political science, we deal with informal power, with structures and networks. And these structures and networks are real people, they're actors. And they use their informal power to counteract again or to play with the official rules. I don't have to explain this in greater detail. You all know the examples, maybe from your own experience. In sociology, one usually or probably will start to analyze this problem complex corruption from standpoint of looking at the blurring of private public boundary. Uh, these elites we've been talking about, or those informal groups, engage in state capture, and state capture has a specific feature, namely, uh, they try to rewrite rules. That might be interesting, an interesting approach for the analysis of what is going on in states with under transition phenomenon. Maybe the United States at this point are an example. Um, Rewriting the rules has just started, and the rules have been pre-written by the Heritage Foundation, which we'll meet again today in another slide. And the Heritage Foundation has been rewriting the new rules. And last not least, these are just examples, not random examples. I've tried to be to the point. Um, Rational cultural corruption. Corruption is a way of life, and I don't have to comment on that. So, which examples can I mention? Well, legalistic, the abuse of office, corruption. Corruption is mainly petty corruptions. Uh, Petty officials use their positions. When I worked in Cambodia more than a decade ago, and I had to use a car in Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, I observed that the cops in the street treated the drivers differently. One category was the official cars. They didn't touch them, of course. The second categories were foreigners, like myself. Okay. And the third category was, well, the rank and file. Cambodians with used cars and all that. So the cops exactly knew that the rank and file Cambodians had no money. So they left them unharmed. But they spotted the foreigners, the expats, and stopped them at every under any pretext, saying, "You pay me $20." And then you go, "No, $1 is enough." So he says, "Okay, fine, yes, go ahead, take $1." And the point is, $20, sorry, 20 cents go into his own pocket, and the rest is taken or delivered to his superior.